What's up? We got NKW rides here. Today we're just going to be doing a little riding around. Haven't posted in a while, but we got a new little dirt bike. So it's electric. It's the Vipku H3 48 volt, 3600 watt. Goes about 40 miles an hour. New videos. We're hoping to get an RTR light soon added to the collection. So for now, let's just ride. Alright, so we're just going to go probably up to the top of the road. We also made a new trail. So we're going to go to that. I got 2% on my phone, so the camera might die because it's Bluetooth connected, you know. It's cold out here. Little slow-po back there. So I'll kind of take you through the trail, but Adam will probably stay back here while I go because he doesn't really want to take that on the trail. So the trail just goes up here. It's pretty nice actually. It's not too long. Had to move a few trees though. And then there's just a dead end right there, so you gotta turn that around. He's got the music on. Alright, now, I don't know, we also have, made a little track in the yard, riding around, so I might go show you that, but we'll just go down there for a little bit. Alright, he's coming. Thing's pretty fast actually. It's a low ripper. It's actually a little wheelie there. Got that for Christmas, you know. Merry Christmas, Merry late Christmas, and Happy Hanukkah if you celebrate that. Alright, so as I was saying, Happy New Year, but my phone kind of died, so the Ray-Bans that I'm filming on disconnected. So alright, back where we left off, we're going to go show you the little track in our grass. He's got a scooter now, so it should be easier. We're going to drop this speaker off at the garage. Alright. So it's just a little track. You can kind of see where we've been, but it's just a little fun place to kind of ride around. And give us a comment down below if you have any video ideas, and we'll do that. Going over the little humps right there. Oh, eco mode. Alright. Ooh. My bad for the bumpiness. Okay, so that's our little grass track. We had to put in some dirt because we made ruts too fast. And this one just got too deep and I was falling off every time. So there's that, but that's it for today's video. So stay tuned, subscribe, please. We need it. And our goal is 100 subscribers by May 1st. So help us get to that goal. Like, subscribe, and comment Road to 100. Thank you. NKW Rides out.